They will see per customer. They might think aliases. That's the solution.
Yeah.
Let's see, man. Let's see if people are gonna get their money back. Come on, Coffee. Tell them the good news.
But is this: banks were forced to sell long-term assets that they didn't want to sell, like bonds, and they took losses because of these bank runs. Because of that, what started as a liquidity crisis became an insolvency crisis, and that's why they got shut down, because they weren't going to be able to service all those withdrawals. So now what, right? Doesn't the government guarantee bank deposits? Why are we even talking about this? Well, they kind of do. The FDIC insures up to $250,000 per account. However, at places like Silicon Valley,
Per account, per bank.
Yes.
I don't know if you know, but the Greek freak
Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Giannis Antetokounmpo, I think that was mentioned that before he knew about this setup. So I don't know if you heard about it,
No, I didn't.
but according to the owner of what team is he in? The Bucks, right?
Bucks, Milwaukee Bucks, yeah.
Still in the Bucks, okay.
That's the way to do. Hey, KR, one in every state.
One in every state.
Puerto Rico, Hawaii.
Yo. This is quite wild. I've never and then after that, the Bucks owner advised them to put the money in bonds and a bit more
Investing
giving
instead
them,
of.
so yeah, instead of putting the money in the bank. 50 other banks. Hey, wait, hey, let's
No, but
see
it
what
says-
card we're gonna use.
But it says 50 different bank accounts, not 50
Bank
different
accounts,
banks. So
yeah,
it
but-
could be that, four
You
at
cannot
one
have
bank.
it on one bank and 50. I don't know nothing. Let's put it this way.
Yeah, yeah. But so but I get, so I take it you're speculating that he did it. So if something
You cannot have so
more than
according to-
250 to get his money back if something happens.
Yeah, so according to what I know, you
That's
cannot
amazing.
have it in one bank in 50 bank accounts. I don't know what the rules are in the US.
That's what I
relating to
understand.
this,
Yeah, that's what
But-
how I understand it as well. Yeah.
but what I know is that in other places in the world, you have to have it in different banks and bank accounts. So and the amount is also very different in other countries. So it is very different from country to country, from island to island. Some islands might not give you anything. So maybe it's better to put it in your shoebox. I'm not advising to do it. Don't take my word for it, guys. But it is what it is. But Giannis had it in 50 different it's 50 different banks. Because if I'm gonna see it, I'm like, Giannis, you cannot be having accounts at 50 different banks. Let me tell you something. If JP Morgan goes under, your little dinky banks are going under too. Let me explain to you what you should buy. You should buy US Treasuries. You should buy this. So that's the owner telling him what he should do.
If I have to say, if I have to believe, so USA Today. Sorry that I'm interrupting you, but I have an article of USA Today of Friday, March 17th, and it says fact check: insurance program protect most bank accounts up to $250. And when I scroll down, it says the rating. It's false. Most bank accounts are part of a federal insurance program that insures up to $250,000 per customer. So it's what you said. It makes more sense that it's the customer as well, or else everyone would have like 30 bank accounts at a bank.
I don't know nothing, guys.
But
I'm in first balling in my mama's basement.
yeah, go ask USA Today. They can answer
Yeah.
the question.
I'm a bum in my mama's basement. So
You know what I'll do, KR?
what?
If you please allow me, because I wanna protect this show.
Okay. Well, I'm
What
also
I'm going to do is very quickly is
we're gonna
share
share
the
the
article.
article. Yes, yes. That's very, very, very important.
So guys,
Zoom in a little bit. Zoom in a little bit so they can read the title better. And who also wrote it? Nate.
Nate Trella of USA Today. And then if you go down, because the claim is customers will lose their money if they don't take it out of banks. And this is false.
Our. So they even put their name on it.
Our rating. So USA Today, most bank accounts are part of a federal insurance program that insures up to $250,000 per customer. So this is where I get it from, where I got it from, guys. I just, KR, I really enjoyed this show. I think would be a shame.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, guys, we're not saying you gotta have aliases as well because that's not gonna help.
That was I'm pretty
That is
sure
how
no one
people think. They will
no
they will see per customer. They might think, hey, maybe you know how people think, Archie.
yeah.
Aliases. That's the solution.
Yeah.
Let's continue, man. Let's continue.
Oh my god. Fake passports.
Fake passports. 3 passwords with 3 different names.
It's crazy, man.
Sir. Yes, my name is Sir. Sir. Suddenly your name is anyway, let's not go there. Let's not go there.
Bank, they had a lot of accounts with a lot more than that. Because as we spoke of, they hosted a lot of venture capital startups that might have had anywhere.
Let's take a look at these companies.
Circle,
Roku.
Roku, BlockFi, Roblox. I read Gringo. I read Rocket Lab, Sangamo Therapeutics, Landing Club, Pioneer.
I guess who's not getting paid?
And those are huge numbers. So we're talking about
Circle 3.3
3.3 billion to how much was the lowest?
The lowest 20.
20
Those
million.
are just a couple of them then.
So if we talk about a threshold of
They have
250
disclosed.
that have disclosed, yeah, but they are all way above the $250,000 threshold.
Yep. And the funny thing is that Circle is a peer-to-peer payment technology company. In the
Okay.
crypto.
Give me a break. Give me a break.
Oh man, you'll be sitting there. Luckily, I didn't put my money.
But that that's the thing
in
here.
FTX.
That's a
I have it in Circle.
You think you can do this to me?
And then suddenly,
yeah.
Oh, JJ.